Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Welcome to Rutgers University Technical Assistance Program. We're New Jersey's EDA University Center. Now, one of our priorities is workforce development. The truth is, much of what we do here at the university is focused on workforce development for the legacy economy, but at the University Center, we're really focused on the next economy. Robotics, genomics, autonomous driving, artificial intelligence. And the one that I'd like to talk to you about today is blockchain. So the particular focus of the University Center here at Rutgers is blockchain. I believe that technology is as disruptive as the internet ever was. I believe it'll create high-paying, high-skilled jobs, and I believe the students that we're graduating for Rutgers will create those high-quality, high-skilled jobs. What I'd like to do now is introduce you to Emily Shu. Emily's a sophomore. She's the president of the Blockchain Hub, and we're all going to work for Emily someday. Emily, take it away.
Hey, I'm Emily, and I'm a business analytics and supply chain major at Rutgers Business School. Today, I'll give you an overview into what we're working on at the Rutgers Business School Blockchain Hub. The Hub launched in fall of 2019 as a student and university center-supported initiative in workforce development. We work to bolster RBS education through learning implementation of blockchain and distributed ledger technology. With members all the way from sophomore English majors to PhD candidates in biomedical engineering, we are a very diverse group. These students are working on an emerging technology that will impact every aspect of economic development in this country. We offer an abundance of resources for our members. At our student-led workshops, students develop an understanding in the basic functions of blockchain technology. This knowledge provides a solid foundation so members can better evaluate use cases discussed by industry speakers and companies working with the technology. Once they're equipped with a functional understanding of what blockchain is and how it's applied to different industries, students have the opportunity to represent the organization and university on a national stage. By competing in hackathons and attending conferences, members exercise their knowledge and gain relevant work experience through developing new applications. Most recently, we've been excited to offer students opportunities in research. Students have access to our network of professors that frequently look for research assistants with blockchain experience. For student-led research, we offer an abundance of resources to help guide them. Here's an overview of our main initiatives. In addition to our events and other experiential learning opportunities, we have a number of programs in place, including a podcast with key thought leaders in the space, a blockchain technical development subgroup, and a supply chain subgroup. Blockchain has many use cases in the supply chain industry, and RBS has one of the strongest supply chain programs in the country. Our supply chain subgroup works with other student organizations and the Rutgers Supply Chain Department to host meetings and speaker events, including speaker deep dives, case studies, and workshops. Currently, we're working collaboratively with other universities as part of the Uniswap University Delegate Program. Our technical development subgroup discusses and then votes on economic and governance proposals, expanding their understanding of blockchain protocols in the process. Two of our most recent student-led research projects highlight our extensive network that we use to provide more opportunities to students. We're talking to Saudi Electronic University to launch a joint project to research and develop a prototype credentialing system using non-fungible tokens. Back in New Jersey, a group of our students are working with an advisor to build a blockchain prototype around a sample pharma dataset from a major pharmaceutical company that better secures and organizes the data. The Hub also has a group of students in the process of launching a podcast with the Rutgers Business School that showcases RBS thought leadership in emerging technology. Students host episodes to provide a youthful and upbeat vibe, and guests range from professors to industry professionals. Thanks for tuning in. If anybody has questions or would like to contact us, you can always get in touch at blockchain@business.rutgers.edu.
Emily, thank you very much. That was wonderful. As you can see, the Rutgers University Technical Assistance Program is focusing on the next economy. And the young people that we are working with here are just an exciting group of very talented individuals. So I really want to thank the EDA for giving us the opportunity to do this very important work. Thank you, EDA. Bye.